And as the government starts to approve more vaccines, a lot of you are wondering, what's the difference between getting the Pfizer shot versus the Moderna shot? Sonia Azad is getting answers to some of your most pressing questions.
Dr. John Carlo, thanks so much for joining me today to chat a little more about COVID-19 and the vaccines. So Lisa is asking, and I think this is a great and relevant question, how long should I wait to get the coronavirus vaccine after having had the shingles vaccine?
I think for the most part, we'll recommend probably about a week or two, but some of that I don't know for sure. It'll definitely be a good question for whoever provides the vaccines for somebody with specific case-by-case questions like that. But from the studies I've seen so far, I haven't seen anything that would hold you back in a significant amount of time with anything like a flu vaccine or a shingles vaccine or anything like that.
All right, so I like this question from Gary, who asks, besides the larger city hospitals that are getting coronavirus vaccines, could you please check to see when hospitals in less populated counties like Parker County would be able to receive the vaccine so that they can vaccinate their staffs?
In the Pfizer vaccine box, you have to give out 975 vaccines within about a 6-hour time frame. So as you can imagine, for larger institutions, that's certainly doable. For smaller hospitals, that may be a challenge. The Moderna vaccine is going to offer different opportunities. It won't have that same cold storage requirement or big packaging requirements. So for our rural health hospitals, stay tuned. I don't think we're too far away from, Moderna's vaccine and having other options very quickly available.
Great question here from Beth. How long after you get the second shot are you considered to have immunity?
We think it's about 14 days after the second dose is when you're really ready to be protected. How long after? Well, great question. One we don't know the answer to. This will be one we're going to have to follow along together.
Thank you again. I'll talk to you soon.
Thank you. Happy holidays to you as well. Stay safe.
So much good information there. If you want to watch more of that Q&A, just text the word question to 214-977-6028. We'll send you a link. And if you have any questions for our team, you can send them using that same number.